Good evening and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. This evening we're going to have a quick walk around Pattaya here in Thailand, have a look at some of the shops, maybe get some food, possibly go back down to Jomtien to another night market. But yeah, we'll just see how things go. We're just going to have a wander around and a little mooch and see what we see. Come on. I always wondered in Thailand, who's paying for who's electric? Because surely you can't tell off that. There has to be mistakes there, isn't it? Get a look at the state of that. Come to Jomtien to a different market that we came to the other night, and we're going to get some food. This is a newer market, not been to this one before. This is the big market Jomtien. Well, that's the first time I've seen that. I didn't video it, sorry. I was too busy watching in awe, disgust, one of the two. Two girls got a fishing net, caught a squid, put the squid head first into some chili sauce.
Like a shot glass of chili sauce, wasn't it?
And it was still wriggling around and sucking up the chili sauce when it decided to bite the heads off it alive. Yeah. Yeah. there you have it. That was our little walk around Pattaya and then down to Jomtien Beach to the big market Jomtien for some food. See you all in the next one. Please hit like, please hit subscribe. It really does help me out. Now it's time to do your job.